guys, it's Dan from K-tec Racing, and you join us here in sunny Dubai, which is a really interesting place to be, obviously, for work. We're currently at Alpha Logic, as you can see behind me. This is the performance shop for GTRs in the whole of Dubai, run by an American company. We're sharing some space in here to actually work on a lot of customers' cars out here. And we brought one of our master techs over, Steve, from headquarters in England, and we are basically out here to work on a range of Clios and Meganes to fit all of our performance parts and then tune them all in. The thing that they struggle out here in Dubai is that the fact that there's no real skilled Renault technicians that can fit the products, things like supercharger conversions, turbo conversions and different things like that. So what they do is they actually fly one of our techs out that works out here for a couple of weeks, and we fit all the parts in one go and build it all together. It's a really interesting way of doing things, and it works great obviously for us, and it also works great for the customers because they're getting a really good service as well. They're getting the same level of technician that they obviously get that we get in the UK. So we've got some really exciting things planned. We've been to a track day already yesterday in the desert. We've got another track day at Dubai Autodome on Friday that we're testing a lot of the cars that we've been building here. So we've got some really cool footage coming up in this video. It's going to be a bit of a long one, but I promise you it's going to be a good one. And I'm just going to go inside now. I'll explain a bit more about what we're doing to certain cars, what kits we're fitting, and just show you around the workshop. Some big cars here, guys. So guys, in the workshop now, as you can see, this workshop is pretty impressive. You can see we've got our master tech, Steve, behind us, who is busy working away. And you can see we've got this lovely Megane on the ramp there. This belongs to a really good customer of ours, Abdullah. He's got about 5 different Renaults. One of the other ones is the red one in the background that potentially see just through there. Obviously you'll see some shots of that in a bit, and we'll talk to you about that car. But yeah, this Megane is having quite a lot of work from us, so we're going for the Wagner intercooler. Performs really well on these. We see some great results. We're also going for the RS dump valve. We've also got our induction kit going on it. We've got our sports cat going on it. We've got an oil cooler kit going on it that we've installed that we also sell on. All of these products are available on our e-commerce website, K-tec Racing. Then we're finally going to finish this up with a tune. So a custom tune, it's going to be logged, it's going to be running on the dyno that they've got here. They've got 2 dynos at Alpha Logic. We're also going to do some data logging on the road to see exactly what sort of temperatures and stuff we're getting up to in Dubai. It's not too warm at the moment, being February, March time, so it's not too bad. But yeah, so this is just one of the many Renaults that we've got in over the 2-week period that we're here for. So yeah, we'll catch up with how Steve's getting on with this. Should be finished in the next couple of hours. I'll just show you some of the other cars that we got in the workshop. So this is one of Abdullah's other vehicles that he's got in with us. So 2 cars for Abdullah, the red one and the yellow one, having work done currently. The red one is a Megane, and it looks gorgeous, as you can see. It's a great conversion. He's had this for a number of years, and we've pretty much supplied him with all the products that are on it. It's dripping in KTR products. Really clean example. This will be on track next Friday, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how that sort of performs around a fairly hot circuit in the afternoon. But yeah, should put the power down good. Tyres will be sticky. Look forward to going out in that one. So I just want to talk about the engine work a little bit more on this one. As you can see, this is highly modified. It's actually been built in the UK by us, well, by Steve, not by me, thank God. But yeah, it's been built by Steve. This is fully forged, cat cams, bigger injectors, our 440 turbo kit on it, the full works basically, and we're actually mapping that in ready for Friday. So we've got a running in file on it at the moment. We then need to log it, we need to obviously run it in and then push for up to 440 horsepower. So this is going to be quite a beast, and as you can see, it's been really nicely done. Great conversion, looks gorgeous. I'm really looking forward to getting out in this. So guys, this one behind me is a really interesting project. This is Yusuf's car, and this is actually going to be the first supercharged Clio in the UAE. So everyone's really hyped to see what the performance is like after we finish tuning it. The kit's been fitted now, as you can see. This has got the KTR supercharger kit on it with a little Renault'S supercharger. Looks absolutely gorgeous, as you can see from the video. This is going to be a real exciting one to keep an eye on. It's a gorgeous car done by Renault Guru on Instagram. I'll put his tag up now. Yeah, really nice setup. So this again will go around track on Friday. It'll be really interesting to see the performance of the supercharger kit on that as well. So guys, the fourth and final car that we're actually working on is this lovely 197, as you can see behind me. This has had quite a lot of work whilst it's been out here. I need to confirm exactly what it's had by Steve, but I know it's had like a cam setup. We've done other engine work on it as well, and we're finally just tuning it at the moment. So I think we've just got one file to go on it. We need to make a few little tweaks, but it feels really good according to Steve. So again, a great little car that another customer in the UAE is going to be happy with from K-tec Racing. So we are just out in the Clio that's cammed outside, and we are writing the file in as we speak. So we're going to go for a test drive, log it on the road, see how it is performing, make sure we're all happy with it, and hopefully on this final file that'll be good and this car will be completed. So we'll take it for a quick test drive now. As you can see, that car really pulls well now. Yeah, customers definitely going to be happy with this. It pulls absolutely great. We don't need to do any more files. We're going to have a quick look at the logs just to make sure it all looks okay. But another car completed, another happy customer. So guys, joining me on another day at Alpha Logic. We're on the Wednesday now, and with a lot of development done. A couple of cars done yesterday. We've got the first supercharged Clio in the Middle East on the dyno at the moment. Second pull just done, and it's already made just under 300 horsepower, which is absolutely staggering. However, it's got a problem with the fuel pump, so I need to put a new fuel pump on there for it to run quite efficiently and nicely without damaging any of the components. But just as to show, literally second pull on the first file that we've done, it's made just under 300 horsepower, which on the stock engine is what we aim for. And 300 horsepower is what the customer wants. The customer's over the moon already with the power on that, which is great. But this thing just looks absolutely awesome. I've said they should leave the front end of the car off, so you can see that lovely intake at the front. I think it looks pretty and naughty. But yeah, a great little car. Another one set up by Steve out here, which is in the conversion done by Steve. Looks absolutely beautiful. Gonna see if we can get a new fuel pump on and push for that magical 300. I think it's at 294 at the moment, so not far off anyway. So yeah, great car, and we'll keep you updated. Obviously, the battery's running low on this, so I'm going to try and get a video of it on the dyno. And we've also got a track day with this car on Friday. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Right guys, the next car we got up is the Megane, and it is Abdullah's signature car. Obviously we discussed this earlier in the video. We're ready to put it on the dyno now. It's got the base file on, so Abdullah's been driving it very sensibly, and we're really interested to see what it makes on this base file and then go from there. So let's go and see what it makes. Hi there guys, we're back on the track today, and excuse me for the poor video footage, but I ran out of space on my camera, so unfortunately I haven't got another device to put it on at the moment out here in Dubai. Just come off the track, obviously, as you can see from that footage just there. Abdullah's car, and it was so good. The Megane just worked so well. Felt my bum dyno felt definitely like it was north of 400 horsepower. I mean, we're passing some serious cars out there. The impressive part was the handling. The handling was just set up absolutely perfect. I think it'd be even better with some semi-slicks. He's got some Michelins on there at the moment, but it was just absolutely great. Great feeling, great to be out in one of the fastest cars, one of the fastest Renault's in the Middle East, and it felt great. Obviously, as you can see behind me, the Supercharged one, and as you saw there in the video, we passed that as well. But I'm just going to go and check with Yusuf to see how that felt. Maybe get a bit of a video as well. So great day, guys. Absolutely loved every second so far. Hi there, guys. So as you can see, I am no longer in Dubai. Unfortunately, my phone also gave up on that day of racing. But we had an absolutely fantastic time in Dubai. Steve did absolutely amazing work in Dubai, as he always does. And from this, we are definitely going to be looking at an option of opening a shop in Dubai for Renault owners, which will actually service the whole Arab region as well, not just Dubai, but any Renault owners in the Arab region. You will have a local place to bring your vehicle, hopefully very soon. So we're working on that behind the scenes. So I just wanted to end this video here and say a massive thank you to Abdullah and Yusuf for having us in Dubai and really caring for us whilst we're out there, and Steve as well. They really looked after Steve whilst he was out there. They are hopefully coming over this year. We're going to go some track days in the UK. Obviously they've got a couple of cars at K-tec as well with us that we're finishing up for them. So really looking forward to seeing them again, guys, and we're probably going to be going back out in November to actually see them and try and set something up a bit more permanent in Dubai to serve the Arab region. But thanks ever so much for watching this video. We're going to bring some more sort of vlog style videos like this to the channel, which hopefully you guys find interesting, you Renault lovers out there. Obviously, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and follow us on social media, on Facebook and Instagram as well. That'll be absolutely brilliant. We are on TikTok now as well, and we will see you very soon.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.